is the arrival of Obidient. It will be the entourage.
Sorry, because take with that. Our girl.
The two majors arriving.
Abaribe.
They come to verify with their eyes or what they saw on the social media and the television.
Yes. This is part of the year. We started from here. Ayaka.
You can see for yourself the damage that they caused.
Doors to last week.
Was it built on the canal?
No,
No.
not at all. No, not at all.
Well, we can walk across and then see whether the canal is big enough. Maybe.
Now they want to verify truly if the building was constructed on top of the canal. Oscar Double. You can see to yourself that the canal is very, very far away from the buildings. It's very clear.
Now that they've not even done the embankment.
And they're supposed to do embankment.
We did the embankment ourselves.
Yes. Government should do the embankment.
Exactly.
They've not done that.
But the line is distinct. The canal line is distinct. Clear? No building is on top of the canal.
Another one.
The incoming governor. The incoming governor.
Remove them.
From them by their own action.
By their own action.
This should go down.
Can see the value of the president as support.
The Ajolo Fabi Alobundala. One of the Ajolo Halo. You can see to yourself the sitting president Senate Umeh with Obidient Igbo.
Wash it back. Wash it back.
They leveled this building down. This story building, they put it down.
Look at the gap. The gap to Canal.
So all this thing went down.
Yeah,
all this line.
Yeah, because they brought it on down and they brought it down. Yeah.
There is a new construction.
Yes.
No. They brought it down.
They brought it down.
Yes, completely.
So, yes, sir. Okay, we just grab from there.
No, actually,
No, Oga. No. If there is another way, let's use another. Let's not put it.
If I know Panobo started, it went the mother, I draw long delegates they did alone, not trade fair. Makananga, what Jolo can be alone. When you kind of name, how do I draw? I depend that I grace. I want the Bonebe, the Bumunaya Geponante, in our sitting senator, Victor Umeh, Ojukwana Bodia, with the Okuten Dibo, H.E. Peter Obi. Abia no we here in the Bojibri, Abaribe and Akobundu, bulldozers.
They're functioning from the back. Yes. That's it.
Yeah. One of the Ajolo had the alo.
Tola, let's go.
Obidient.
We are still going.
Yes. Man of fire now just now. Let him be more. Shift the motor. Hey, try this motor, come on. Hey, go back. Who gave this motor?
They will come.
Yeah. Yes. Look at them. Yes, this road will block through.
They know. They will do that. Honorable.
Let's move.
There's another build there. Plenty. Okay, but na ganga media service get the weather on the enemy no star. Yeni ndi wo jibiri nsanze ka bia na ha no ga ku munnefa. Maka ndi na de mepe onu na-ekwu ni Igbo nwere nwanne ni Igbo nwere nwanne ni Igbo nwere eze nwanne Igbo nwere eze Igbo nwekwa nwanne. Maka ihe menu bo start atụrụ m n'anya. HEP Obi no life na trade fair. Victor Umeh no life na trade fair. Abaribe no live na trade fair. Ndị ya bụ ekwu okwu ndị Igbo gee ntị acha nọ. The incoming governor of Lagos State under the Labour Party ọ nọkwa na trade fair. I call president. So I see. Honorable, ịkwụ n'ọkụ kwụsị ike shit adịrọ ebe anyị ga-ejekwa ebe ndị obodo abịa alụ ajọ ọlụ ebe ndị obodo alụrụ ajọ ọlụ ebe alụrụ ajọ ọlụ alezi anya na fe were gị eje n'ọfịa jee golu ndị Igbo developụ hechigakwa one of the ajọ ọlụ ndị obodo alụrụ na-edi ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ n'oge ya ọ dị ajọ ọlụ one of the ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ dị ya ina na-efu na mbata bụ Honorable Ngozi Chukwuemechebe nyanwa na-elidi the interact mmiri ọma na-ekwu Sentino the president flowers ihe akụ nwafọ Oscar Odogwu Paul
President, there is in Kenya for this one. No reason. On Canal.
No building here will take approval from management board.
Do you have copies to show the media now?
Already I have shown you yesterday. We have copies. We would like to have the copies. We'll give it to you.
No, yes, because we have to do and then of course get the federal government to react. Because they themselves are the owners of this.
Yes.
Not the state government, not the state government.
The people who demolished it are from Lagos state government. Yes. Not from the commissioner from the federal government. The commissioner of physical planning. Physical planning. Yes. Lagos state government.
Lagos state. So is that Obanekoro?
No, not Obanekoro.
Okay. Right?
Yeah.